Hello everyone, today's menu will be coffee chocolate chip pancakes. They are so fluffy and so delicious and the perfect amount of caffeine. So if you're ready, let's get flipping. Okay, in this large bowl I have all-purpose flour and I'm going to add in some espresso instant. And then here I have some baking powder and baking soda. And then here I have some powdered sugar. And then just a pinch of salt. Then you just want to give it a quick mix, combine well. Okay. And then we're going to add in some chocolate chips. There we go. Give that a quick mix. All right, we're going to set this aside. Okay, and then here I have 2 eggs. And then I'm going to add in some buttermilk. You can use any milk that you prefer. And then you just want to give it a quick beat. Okay, that looks good. And then we're going to pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. You can pour a little bit at a time, or you can pour all of them all at once. And then we're just going to want to give it a quick mix to combine. If you have a hand mixture, you can go ahead and use that too. But I'm just going to use my whisk. You guys, this smells so good. Okay, this looks good. And then make sure to preheat your griddle to about 300 degrees. And if you don't have a griddle, you can go ahead and just do it with a non-stick skillet. And then I'm just folding it in. And now it's nice and creamy, just the way I like it. And then I'm just going to butter my griddle. You can use olive oil or any other oil that you prefer. And then with my quarter cup measuring cup, I'm just going to pour some of the batter right onto the griddle. And then you'll want to cook it until bubbles form around the edges and the underside is brown when you peek at it. About 2-3 minutes. It's been about 2 minutes and I'm just going to flip it. And then you want to cook this side for another 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes and I'm just going to remove them. And then you just want to continue the process until there are no more batters to cook. Here is the end results and the best part, the taste test. Now let's dig right on in and see how it is, you guys. Okay. I'm going to get some of this butter. Okay. Here we go. Mm. You guys, that is so delicious. The sweetness, you can taste the coffee, the butter, everything was perfect. If you guys would like to give this recipe a try, the measurements will be in the description box down below. Make sure you guys go and check that out, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.